virtual worthy content to share on your social media profiles, or struggling to deliver quality content to your demanding subscribers? There's no real shortage of ways that visual content can generate traffic, subscribers, customers, and value to your business. As a matter of fact, there's even less of a shortage of types of visual content. Having said that, how would you like to know the absolute best way to get hordes of viral social traffic to your websites? Better yet, how would you like to be able to engage your audience at maximum potential and greatly enhance your position as an absolute guru and expert in your field? Well, then I have good news for you, my friend, because the solution is here, and it's easier than ever. What is the solution? It's a little something known as infographics, and I'm sure you're familiar with them. However, if you haven't used any element of infographics in your marketing or business efforts yet, then I can truly say that you are missing out on a lot of potential. There may be a high likelihood that you're leaving money on the table while also forfeiting a ton of opportunities to your competitors who may already be using infographics right this very moment. Really though, there's a ton of good reasons as to why you should use infographics in your business. For starters, they're both compelling and visually attractive. Not to mention they're often viral worthy too. They can cover a worldwide audience while establishing massive brand awareness and authority in a number of ways. In doing all of this, they work passively to generate traffic, benefit your SEO efforts, and of course, solidify your expert status in your niche. If you were to start utilizing infographics as one of the key components in your information business or even your marketing efforts, you could prosper in a number of ways. Above all, you're going to be able to quickly and effortlessly boost your visitor count towards all of your social media platforms, your websites, and really anywhere else that you'd like. Better yet, you'll be able to keep your audience engaged for longer and for a long time to come. As a matter of fact, check this out. According to a recent study from socialbaker.com, the usage of photos actually accounted for 93% of the most engaging post types on Facebook alone. But, of course, there's a problem. It's expensive to develop your own infographics. What this means is that making infographics is truly big business. Believe it or not, on average, one single infographic can cost around $250 to have designed. Yes, just one. And that's if you want it to be good. There's a reason that these cost so much, though, especially in comparison to other types of visual content. It's because proven effective infographics need to meet certain criteria backed by detailed, verified research. On the other hand, the potential ability for infographics to be spread all over the internet like wildfire is surely something that's beyond insane. I'm talking serious viral stuff. So, what's the solution? Designing things, whether it's a website or a graphic design, is something that should truly be left up to the professionals and not skimped on in any way, shape, or form. You really don't want to cut costs in terms of creating quality infographics for your marketing efforts. Trust me when I say that I can understand your need for top-notch content as a marketer and business owner. That's exactly why I went ahead and did all of the heavy lifting and hard work entirely for you. The result? Well, it's an entire massive infographics package that you can effortlessly snap into action in your business or in your clients' businesses. Whether you use them for building an audience, providing content, or anything else, it's all crammed in here. You don't even have to edit the infographics, as they're perfect as is. However, you have the option to edit them, as every single image will come with the editable source files. So, now, are you ready to see what's going to ramp up your infographic marketing efforts today? Just check out all of the details and grab your copy on the page below.